How to fix Snapchat filter problem. Today guys, I have the solution how to fix this filter problem. Just watch this video until the end. So let's start. First you will just open the settings of your phone and you will go directly to apps. And on apps you will find now all the applications that you have on your phone. Now what you should do, just search for Snapchat. And when you found it, just open it like this and go to storage and go to the last one here, clear data, like this. Click OK, then back and click on first app, click OK, and then you will back to Play Store and you will update Snapchat, and that's it, it will work. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Do not forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you in another video.